Series from WenTech. Today I'd like to introduce you one of our latest model embedded with AI chipset. So AI is really a hot topic today nowadays. How can AI help us in the daily use? Let me show you some actual user cases. Okay, so with the AI, we generate an icon, easy for use, or in here on the side that you can use the AI. The AI voice assistant, AI smart Q&A, AI real-time translation, or AI live caption. And also there are more AIs in the whiteboard as well. So let me introduce you some of the functions. For example, the AI voice assistant. Turn on Wi-Fi settings. So now if we go with the Wi-Fi settings, and then you can connect with the Wi-Fi by the voice assistants. And some others, like icons here, for example. You can hear Mr. Translation. Where are you from? Are you Chinese? So this can translate from English to Chinese or Chinese to English, or you can generate other language as well. And some other functions of the AI is that, for example, here, Q&A. This is the same of the translation, but you can output it as a word itself. The other functions like here, the Q&A. Any suggestions to be a good salespeople? Okay, so there are lots of answers, like telling you the answers from the smart AI, and then you can use it to generate the answers from here. You can have a lot of interactions with this AI smart AI. Okay, and also the others is like this integrated with the DeepSeek, and you can log in with the DeepSeek, and then you can use this with the DeepSeek conversation also. So now you can start with the DeepSeek conversation. Okay, so there are actually some other functions in the whiteboard and also our general use in the daily presentation. What is the most attractive point in Paris? Now, you search in Google. So it's very easy to use, and you can use your pen to annotate like you're in a presentation. So the Eiffel Tower is the most attractive point in Paris, and also you can also watch some other attractive points in here. And when you're using this function in the website, you can directly insert it to the whiteboard. So now it's in the whiteboard. Okay, so there are some other AI functions in the whiteboard. For example, I can use a pen of the magic pen. So to draw. Now, even people not good at drawing can draw a fish easily. And some other functions, for example, and I can write. Okay. Maybe be selected. You can easily change from the handwriting to a formal writing. And also if we select it again, you can search it internet. It can easily give you some information in the internet, like this one. Okay. And also for all the searches here, you can directly insert into the whiteboard. So now you can see this insert into the whiteboard. And what is the most spotlight of these functions I like the most is that you see this is actually a picture here cut from the internet, right? What you just search. And there are some icons here. You can search again, you can redo, or this is some words. So that means all the words here from the pictures here, it's already been a word that you can add again in the whiteboard. So this function is really useful. And all the words, the essays here, you can easily translate from English to French or from Irish, from a lot of language here on the Google Translate. Like here, English to French, you click on this icon, and now the whole essay here is being translated in French. And also, this is editable. You can select all, and now you can paste it, or you can translate it, or you can cut and paste to other places. So those are lots of functions in the whiteboard function. That you choose here, there are lots like also built with the Copilot that you can use with the AI, and also other things like the split screen or the mindset. Yeah. So this is like being integrated, embedded with the AI functions that you can easily use it no matter in the whiteboard functions or in the front page, and then with the AI, the assistants, or with the AI assistants in here.